and welcome to Yayis Corner. This lighting is terrible, but today's Sunday. I am going to food prep for at least 3 days. So once I'm done prepping it, before I put it in the oven, I'll explain to you what I'm making. All right, so I tried chopping everything up the same size. So I drizzled some avocado oil, kosher salt, black pepper, and red pepper flakes, just to add a little bit of spiciness. So we've got eggplant, red onion, yellow peppers, and red peppers. I'm going to roast them, I'd say for a half hour in a 375 oven. Okay, I also added a teaspoon of minced garlic. I know fresh garlic is better, but I pick my battles. All right, so I've spread it out in two sheet pans because I want them to roast, not steam. All right, I'm gonna stick it in the oven and I'll move on to my next recipe. So I went ahead and I chopped up the broccoli. The green beans were not good, and they were only a week old. So on this marinade or coating, I put red pepper flakes, kosher salt, pepper, avocado oil, garlic, and I added a little bit of balsamic vinegar reduction just to give it a little different taste. Okay, I'm gonna put that in my little toaster oven and roast away. So I just chopped up 2 small yellow onions like these, and I'm heating up some olive oil and 1 teaspoon of butter. I'm going to saute the onions until they're nice and caramelized because I'm going to make a onion fig goat cheese tart. Okay, so these are the figs I'm using. These were the only ones I could find. I know they're kind of small, but I think it'll do the trick. And the reason why I'm making this tart is because I have 2 leftover goat cheese logs that I did not get to use for New Year's Eve. I've put this together. I baked the crust maybe for 7 minutes on 385. Then I laid down the caramelized onions. I put down the figs, some of the dates around. Then I cut the goat cheese, put a couple of slices, and then added some fig marmalade just to counterbalance the onions, salt, and pepper. So let's see how this turns out. I'm gonna put it in that little oven and let it bake away. So this is the roasted veggies, and my onions are nice and crispy. I like them like that. Delicious. So this I'll have with I'll heat this up in the morning, have it with a fried egg, or have it with some tossed salad or chicken. It tastes delicious. I'm gonna just pack it in there, and I put the roasted broccoli in here and drizzled on a little bit more balsamic reduction. So now I've gone ahead and I've diced a small yellow onion, half a tomato, and I've got some lean ground turkey, maybe a tablespoon of avocado oil. I'm going to cook the turkey and then add in the veggies, the tomatoes and the onions. And this is baking away. Okay, so I've added some salt, cumin, and pepper, and then I've added in the onions and tomatoes. I'm going to cook it until the veggies are a little soft. Now I'm making a combination of brown rice, and this is called black forbidden rice. I added a 1/3 cup of the black rice and 2/3 cup, no, 1/3 and 1/3 of the brown rice, and a tiny bit, a teaspoon of avocado oil, and a 1.5 cups of water. Some pickled onions. The way I do this is half a red onion, lemon lime juice, a little bit of olive oil, salt, pepper, red pepper flakes,
Did I say red wine vinegar? Yes, that's what's in there. That's the liquid plus the lemon and lime juices. And then a little bit of the tahine. Let me show you. The tahine spices. And yeah, that'll be good for, I say, a week. I just put it on everything. Everything. Eggs, avocado toast, rice, turkey, any meats, any chicken, seafood, on anything, on salads. I love it. So I am going to chop up the cilantro. We love cilantro in this house. So now for the pico de gallo, I'm just going to add to taste some salt, pepper, and then olive oil. It already has the lemon, half of a lemon, the juice of half of a lemon, and 1 lime. Okay. And then this, my son likes to eat it after school with some tortilla chips for a little snack to hold him over till dinner. So the only other thing I'm making is some white rice. That's for my son and for my husband. And I have 4 chicken breasts, which I pounded because when I cook it, it'll cook a lot faster. So I'm going to marinate it with mojo, with sour orange mojo, which is, it's got a bunch of spices in there, and yeah, it's all good. So I'll use this when I don't use my own seasoning and olive oil and lemon juice and lime juice. I'll use that, and it's really yummy on pork as well. And so this is 4 large chicken breasts. So that I'll leave marinating for 24 hours, and we can have that for dinner with some white rice and, well, my husband. And any extra, I can make some pasta and just, you know, maybe some marinara sauce and serve the rest with that. And then all the other stuff. So here's the chicken with the Japanese barbecue sauce and soy sauce. I'll cut up some scallions and just sprinkle it over white rice. Then here's my, these are my meals. So this is the black rice and the brown rice with the roasted broccoli and balsamic reduction glaze, and the ground turkey with onions and tomatoes. Here are my pickled red onions, my roasted veggies, pico de gallo to go on everything. And I must say, I love how it turned out. This is the grilled onions, fig, and oh my gosh, what was the other things? What are these? Fig and dates and goat cheese and fig marmalade tart. So I'm gonna go see my parents this afternoon. My sister's gonna go over, and I'm gonna take this and we'll have it for an early, late lunch, early dinner. And that's it, guys. So this should last us for 4 days, and I'm done for the day. This took me, I want to say it took me 3.5 hours. So not bad. Hope you guys enjoy it and get some ideas. Bye.